Welcome back! In this video I want to show you 3 necessary improvements that will take the work experience with a Dewal Jobsite table saw to the next level. The first and the most obvious flaw, the absence of a soft start. Every time I turn it on, it bangs as crazy and kicks all RPMs from the start. These days we are used to work with power tools that already have a soft start, so I'll give this functionality to the Dewalt table saw too by using this soft start module. I'll use XS16/D3 soft start module, which I bought it online. Number 16 represents the amp rating that could be handled. I was able to choose between XS12/D3 and XS16/D3, and since the price was the same, I took the more powerful option. By the way, XS12/D3 should work just fine if it is the only option that you could buy. This soft start module could be used for 120 volts and 240 volts power tools. To connect it, I need to disassemble the power on-off switch. Before doing that, make sure the table saw is unplugged from the power. I relocated the on-off switch through the hole to demonstrate as clear as possible the internal wiring. This is a very simple 4 contacts on-off switch. I will be needing those 2 contacts on the motor side. The capacitor is connected to the power switch, which should be left as it is. I need both motor wires too. In general, the soft start module should be connected in between those 2 on-off switch terminals and the motor. I don't want to make any wire mess by cutting and soldering the soft start module in, so I used male and female spade terminals instead. This option will save your power tool warranty too, because it could be disconnected and will not leave any marks. And now the fun part. Connect it regarding provided wiring diagram. Wire C should be connected to the motor brown wire. Wire B should be connected to the power switch terminal 14. Here will be handed this adapter, which allows connecting 2 female terminals to the same 1 male contact. And lastly, wire A should be connected to the motor blue wire and at the same time to the on-off switch terminal 24. First, connected to the motor side. I used the same adapter because this motor wire should be connected to the on-off switch too. I made an extension wire and with the help of the same hand adapter connected to the 24 terminal. Okay, one more time with less wire shaking. Wire C goes to the motor brown wire. Wire B goes to the power switch terminal 14. Wire A goes to the motor blue wire and at the same time to the on-off switch terminal 24. Before assembling everything back, I used some electric tape on the exposed terminals. The assembly process is reversed of the disassemble, although the soft start module needs to be placed in the same space. The strange thing is that the latest Dewal Jobsite table saws still do not have a soft start feature, so this modification should be considered by every Dewal Jobsite table saw owner, no matter which model he has. And how it works? Really nice. Let's compare it with the previous start. Kinda big difference. The second annoying thing about this table saw, it is quite tricky to locate the turn off button. The solution? This simple 3D printed flappy paddle. It is designed to bolt on the current on-off switch housing, so the installation is super simple. I leave a link in the video description to the STL file if you want 3D printed too. For the shaft, I use a zip tie, because I don't have such thin and long screw, and metal wire wasn't an option too. With this flappy paddle, I not only increase the stop button surface area, but it allows me to find the on button easier too. And now I can turn off the table saw just by hitting two approx button locations with the palm of my hand or even a knee. Very useful modification. The last modification was addressed to the riving knife. When I bought a saw, it came with this riving knife. It is taller than a blade because it was designed to use with a blade guard. With this riving knife, I can make the cut without going all the way through the material. In every such situation, I had to take it out, and because of laziness, I didn't put it back for future work. A riving knife is one of the main safety features, so I modified it to a low-profile version. Nothing special here, just mark the top position, which will be a bit lower than a blade, cut with an angle grinder, and cover the exposed metal with some black paint. With a soft start module, flappy paddle, and low riving knife, I significantly increased my comfort and work experience with this table saw. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and till the next time. Bye.